Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. And in today's video, you might be thinking, why do I have all three of these AMG GT Black Series that I've done all three reviews in the past, and now I'm currently taking it out so that yeah, you guys can try to guess why, but most probably all of you have guessed why these are out here based on the thumbnail. And yeah, technically I got the thing that I'm gonna review now a bit late, so yeah, basically I will be reviewing that car today, and so that you guys can take a close look and of course know more about the car, basically the color, the design, because I have not reviewed Tarmac cars in a while now. In fact, there are plenty of event exclusives that I need to review from Tarmac Works and some other brands, and this is not an event exclusive, by the way. The car that I'm going to be reviewing today is actually related to these three cars. Of course, it's easy to tell because in the thumbnail I already showed it. Oops, wrong way. So now that all three are out, I can reveal what we're going to review today. So in today's video, we will be checking out this, the AMG GT Black Series, now colored in silver metallic. So as you can see, it says Tarmac right down the top. Mercedes-Benz AMG GT Black Series. You can see some carbon effects on the top. At the bottom you have that light gray effect, and then you have the illustration of the car. Very nice. There's the back of the car as well. Over here it says Tarmac, the Tarmac T logo. Over on the top it says Global 64, and then on the back, Tarmac Works, Tarmac for Good, and at the bottom right here, Tarmac Works, manufactured by Tarmac Premium Collectibles. There's your licensing for Mercedes. Mercedes-Benz AMG GT Black Series in silver metallic. There's your barcode, and there's made in China. There are your socials as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's open this up. So this is the fourth AMG GT that we currently have. For this, the first color was in orange that I've done a review of, and then it was the safety car, which was in the CrowdStrike livery in red, and then it was in matte blue with the TWOC release, Tarmac Works Owners Club, and then now the regular release again, now in silver metallic right here, as you can tell. So yeah, first of all, I like to say the color is very nice right here. Just a simple silver metallic sort of color that is nice. Really like the color. So yeah, we've seen the AMG in orange, red and blue, now in silver metallic, and the next color would be in yellow. That is apart from the collaboration between Tarmac Works and Shmi 150, and yeah, I really cannot wait for that one. So the silver metallic, as you can see, the paint job is in the metallic silver, as it says on the box, and yeah, it looks very nice, sort of like that metal flake sort of texture, a very smooth texture on the paint, but then there is like sort of like a sparkly effect, of course. This is metallic, unlike the blue version that we got, TWOC, that was a matte color. This one is the metallic silver color. Now this is a very nice looking color and all. The details are pretty much the same as what we've reviewed previously. Other than that, I think it's pretty much the same. Not sure. But yeah, let's take a close look at our Mercedes-Benz AMG GT Black Series, now colored in silver metallic. So here it is, the AMG GT Black Series colored in silver metallic. We'll start off from the side. So we have the same set of rims for all four of the AMGs now, which are 10-spoke rims colored in matte black with the Mercedes logo and also a single sort of like a stripe. Sorry, not a stripe, but sort of like a detail in sort of like a silverish color. So over on the side of the car, pretty much clean. You do have the gas cap right there, door handle. You have the intakes, the side intakes. You have a blacked out side skirt right here, which is basically stock, and of course it's apart from the AMG Black Series model. You have your side window right there, which is nice. You have your blacked out side mirror, which is rubber by the way, so yeah, better be careful with that. Overall, very nice. Going towards the front of the car, we have the transparent lens headlights right here with some detail on it, very nice. So yeah, you have the massive front grille as usual with the Mercedes badge right there, Mercedes logo. And then we have the license plate, which I'm not sure what country for license plate is this. It says SMB 1103. So yeah, that is interesting right there, license plate. And of course we have some details, some intakes on the side right here, which are colored in black. And of course we have the front extended front splitter, which is colored in black with the front bumper right there, which is nice. So yeah, extended front splitter colored in black, very nice. We have the long Mercedes AMG GT hood right here with some black detailing. Of course this is only for the Black Series model that they have this black detailing on the hood with some intakes here and there, and also a scoop right here on the hood so that you can make the engine cool. Very nice. So you have your regular windshield tint, blacked out interior, left hand drive, blacked out bucket seats, blacked out dashboard. Overall very nice. And of course for the roof, you do have a blacked out roof, no like sunroof or anything, but still very nice. Yeah, I forgot to mention, over here you have like these vents, I guess for ventilation on the side, which is nice. And then over on this side, yeah, pretty much the same, no difference or anything. Very clean, very nice side view right here. And moving towards the rear window, we have the rear window, which is also transparent, but you can actually see the roll cage right there inside, which is sort of colored in a light goldish color compared to the orange one. Yeah, pretty much is the same that we got on the orange. What about the blue? Did we get any other color? No. So yeah, interesting. It's colored in sort of like a goldish color, which is nice. So you have the massive rear spoiler right here on the car, rear wing, which is colored in black, basically like a double layer spoiler right here, which is massive, as big. It's very big right there, rear spoiler. So it's very cool, very nice. You do have the Mercedes logo right there in the middle. It's not focusing. You have the Mercedes badge right there. I believe this is your brake or reverse lights, I'm not entirely sure. You have your tail lights right here colored in red, Mercedes logo, You have a fully blacked out sort of detail right here at the bottom. Bottom half is colored in black. You have the license plate again. You have your brake lights, I believe. And then you have your rear exhaust tips, which are not colored, surprisingly. And yeah, diffuser, I believe, at the bottom right here as well. Just nice. Over on the base right here, metal blacked out base. Tarmac works, Mercedes-Benz AMG AMG GT Black Series, made in China, 1/64 scale. Well, such a nice car. In fact, let me just tell you guys, if you already have this car, and imagine if you've already bought this car. Actually, if you have bought this car before and you are good to go, this is the Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG Coupe Black Series that I've done a review of and compared it with the CLDC red colored SLS AMG. And if you take a look at the color, it's also in the similar silver metallic color. So that's where I said if you have this model and you have the AMG Black Series, then you're basically good to go, as both of them are colored in silver metallic, which is actually pretty nice. Good to pair with this car. There are some more silver metallic AMGs coming in the future, I believe. I believe there's a C63 AMG Black Series and S65 AMG, I'm not entirely sure, but still great combo. SLS AMG and the AMG GT Black Series, which are two popular cars side by side. Very cool. And they actually have the same set of rims as well, which are pretty nice. Black spoiler as well. Yeah, overall it's actually a great combo to have both of these in your collection. And yeah, let's put this back on the turntable. So obviously, if you started to collect the AMG GT Black Series lineup, then you might as well have to get this car while you're collecting, of course. Let's say if you already have the orange version and you don't want the rest of the colors, then you don't need to really get this car, this color. But still, I really like the color. It's very nice, very simplistic. Great to have in your collection. If you're an AMG fan, then go ahead and get your car right here. This is a new product, so yeah, better get yours. But sadly, it's not available on the Tarmac Works website, as it has already sold out. If you want to get yours, you can actually get it from Two Monster Shop at Cyberjaya, Tamarind Square, Cyberjaya. They still have stock while I'm recording this video. Their stock is still available for this car. And yeah, overall a very nice car right here. I'd like to end the video now, and yeah, that's it for today's video. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. Some other videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.